Hi everyone. We have added a new AI field support for single option and multiple option column type, in Stackby. So let's see how it works. Now, if you're using the AI fields to generate any output, let's say whether you're categorizing information or summarizing information or bringing sentiment into Stackby, you can basically direct the AI to give an output in either a single option or a multiple option field rather than just a text field. So let's see how it works. So we've got, the feedback, and we've got the review text of the feedback. We've got their English translations. Now, what I want to do is I want to categorize it into different categories and, give a sentiment, whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. So what I can do is I can select the AI column type. Now here I can select a single option field and I can add my different model, add the different API key, and I can basically add, I can assign a category based on the review text. And these are the different categories and only use one category. And here I've already defined the categories that I want the output to be in. So if I click on save, so it just generates the output based on the categories that we have defined. And this is all generated by AI. Now, same way I can do it with the sentiment as well, where here I've basically selected the single option field. So based on the content of the English translation and the category and the rating, assign either positive, negative, or neutral. When the rating is valued at 3 stars, you can assign neutral unless suggest otherwise. So I've already added positive, negative, and neutral, and I can just save it since I've already saved it. So I can just generate it. So I can see, that the AI automatically generates the sentiments as well based on the output that you have already defined, for AI. So this is how you can, easily categorize and summarize information, in Stackby based on the data that you have, and give that output in either a single option or a multiple option field. So let us know what you think about all the different AI use cases in Stackby, and feel free to comment on how you're using the AI fields, in Stackby. We would love to hear you out. Thanks.